an. This is a sequence sign. Okay, this bracket is the sequence sign a1 through an, and the output is a permutation or the reordering such that a dash a2 up to an of the input sequence such that the ordering is maintained in this form. A1, A1 dash is less than is equal to A2 dash, which is less than is equal to A3 dash up to AN dash. Okay. So these numbers are called the keys. So this is the definition of your sorting. Input is a random a sequence of n numbers, and output is that particular sequence that maintains the this ordering. Okay. Now insertion sort, this is the algorithm for insertion sort. So insertion sort means first I is equal to, for j is equal to 2 to, just 1 second. Uh, insertion sort. Insertion sort, and the argument is uh, the algorithm is written in this way that you can easily code this algorithm. So insertion sort, and the argument is your array. The array is the unsorted array. So line number 1, for just is the keyword, for a particular value j, for j is equal to your second index to the array dot a dot length. Okay. And second line, so your key is equal to a of j. Okay, a of j. And next, insert the aj, insert the aj in the sorted sequence a1 through j minus 1. Okay. And next, I is equal to j minus 1. I is equal to j minus 1. And then while is a keyword. So while your I is greater than 0, and at the same time a of your I is less, sorry, a of your I is greater than your key value, then exchange a of a of I plus 1, with a of I. Okay, a of I. And next, I is equal to I minus 1. I is equal to I minus 1. And then a of I plus 1, a of I plus 1 is equal to your key value. This is the code for insertion sort. So this is small I. All the variables should be written in the italic. So this is while I is greater than 0 and a of I is, this will be j minus 1. Just insert a of j. So insert aj in the shorted sequence a1 through aj minus 1 while I is greater than 0, and at the same time a of I is greater than key, then ai plus 1, then ai plus 1 is equal to, so this is ai plus 1 is equal to ai, then I decrement I is equal to I minus 1, I is equal to I minus 1 and ai plus 1. Okay, so this is your key. So this is the algorithm. Now you have to write down the algorithm and you have to explain this algorithm with the example. Every line you have to explain, and then finally you have to find out the best case, average case, and worst case analysis, that is the time complexity of your insertion sort. Okay, so insert line number 3, insert, this is just a comment. Okay, you can you can ignore this also. Okay, so insert aj in the shorted sequence of a1 through dot, don't use this term dot dot dot, use up to or through. So a1 through a1, insert aj in the shorted sequence of, a through j minus 1. Okay, so here your card, this 7 card number 7, this 7 is inserted in the sorted sequence. It is inserted in the sorted sequence. The left part of the inserted position should be shorted, so that this is your this 245. You can imagine this 245 as the elements from a1 through a j minus 1, and this 7 number position is your jth position, and this j plus 1 through n, this may be unshorted, this may be unshorted. Okay, but these 245, the positions, the a number of elements before your insertion, it must be shorted. Okay, it must be shorted. So let us have an example. Let the array is 5, 5 2, 5 2 4 6, 5 2 4 6 1, and next one is the 3. Okay, so this is the array. So this is position number 1, array position 1 2 3, okay, 4 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so now your j runs from, this is a dot length, you can italic this also. So a is the array name, so it is a variable, so it is italic. Now, J runs from 2 to A dot length. So your J runs from this position 2 to A dot length. So here A dot length is equal to, in our example, A dot length is equal to A dot is equal to 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here J runs from 2 to A dot length. So J is equal to 2. Initial position of J is 2. Now we have to, so key. So what is the key value? So at the first iteration, your J value
Yes, sir.
is 2. Yes. Any query? Is the first iteration. So J is equal to 2 and your A dot length is 6. Every time A dot length is 6. Okay. And key. What is the key value? Key is equal to
It was 5 maybe.
5. J runs from 2 to A dot length. A dot length is
Yes,
6.
sir. That will be AJ. So the second element of the array, I forgot it was 5 or 2. Yeah, it was 2. 2.
2. So key is equal to 2. At the first iteration, key is 2. Now insert AJ in the shorted sequence. In the shorted sequence, A1 through AJ minus 1. So it is assumed that this is your this particular element. This actually this range is shorted. It is assumed. Okay. You have to you have to insert these two. This is the insertion short. You have to insert this particular two in the proper position of the shorted array. So that is the comparison. You have to compare your inserted element to the every elements in the shorted sequence, left side of the J. So now I is equal to J minus 1, line number 4. So I, value of I is
Sir, 1.
1. Now, while I is greater than 0, obviously I is greater than 0 and A of I. So what is the value of A of I? A of I is
5.
5. So 5 is greater than your key value. So what is the key value? My key value is 2. So 5 is greater than key. Yes, this is right. Okay. Now what should I do? Exchange AI, that is copy the AI value in the AI plus 1 position. So actually your key, actually according to the algorithm, at line number 2 you have to copy the jth value in the key. Okay, so after line number 2 you have to put key is equal to 2. Is it clear? Now at line number 6, line number 5, while I is greater than 0 and A of I is greater than key. Yes, this is true for this particular scenario, not in scenario, this is particular instance. Okay, so AI plus 1, copy the AIth value at the AI plus 1 value. So this will be, this will be 5. This will be 5. Is it clear? Any confusion up to this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Now I is equal to, now, so line number 6 complete. Now decrement the I. So I is equal to now I is equal to now I minus
0.
I is equal to, so this is your I, so I is equal to, so initially I starts from this one, so I now becomes 0. Now I becomes 0. Okay, so I is equal to 0. So this is your boundary. I now becomes 0. Now, while I is greater than 0, is it true? False. So now your I value is, now your I value is 0. Next. So when I is 0, your while loop will not be executed. Line number 5 to line number 7. Now,
Yes.
line number 8. So at line number 8, what is your key value?
2.
2. So 2 is inserted at the I plus 1. So what is your, so uh, A of I plus 1, A of I plus 1 is equal to your key. This is the line. So this means A of I plus 1. So what is the value of I? Now present I value is
0.
0. So
0.
0 plus, so 1. So A1 is equal to your key. Key is 2. So now you have to, put these two. You have to put these two at this position, AIth position. So insert these two here. So 2 and 5. Is it clear? So 2 and 5 are placed in the proper position. So these two,
Sir,
yes,
sir, this insertion sort, this will always be in the ascending order, or it can be in descending order also. Like that was the algorithm. That was for ascending order, right? So,
yes,
or insertion sort is always ascending order.
yes, always.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Now your 2 and 5, now your 2 and 5 are in shorter sequence. So this is the first iteration. Now at second iteration, second iteration. So at second iteration, what is the value of j? So j value is 3. Your j value is 3. Okay, obviously your a dot length is 6. A dot length is 6. And what is the value of key?
5. It was 2. So 3. It will be 4.
It is 4. So because at line number 2, your key value is a of j. So this is 4. Okay, so this is 4. Now at line number 5, insert this aj in the shortest sequence of a1 through aj minus 1. So it is assumed that this is already your shortest sequence, 2 and 5. So now you have to put this 4 at the proper position of 2 and 5. Okay, so I is equal to j minus 1. So what is the value of I? So here I, so your I is equal to, what is the value of I? So this is your new j. New j position is this. Second iteration. So I is equal to j minus 1. I is j minus 1, so this is your I at position 2. So at position 2, this is your I value. Okay. Now while I is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 0, and your AI. So what is the AI value? A of I.
5.
A of I is your 5. So A of I value, this is your 5. A of I, now your A of I is 5. Now your 5 is greater than your key. So your new key value is, your new key value is 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So 5, this is greater than your current key value that is 4. 5 is greater than 4. So what should I do? A of I is copied to a I plus 1. So this will be 5. This will be 5. Okay. And next, value of I is decremented by 1. So value of I, next value of I is decremented by 1. So this is your new I value. Okay. Now, while I is greater than 0, yes, now your next I value is 1. This is next I value is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. And A of I. So what is A of I? Now A of I is 2. So 2 and key value is 4. So 2 is greater than equals to, not greater than equals to sign. Where is it? Symbol. Okay, 2 is not greater than, not greater than, 2 is not greater than your, 2 is not greater than your key value is 4. Okay. So what should I do now? Any idea? Any confusion? So 2 is not greater than 4.
So we will skip the while loop.
Skip the while loop and
And
E of
I
I
is equals to I
greater than
minus 1 and AI
why I
and
is equal
7.
to I minus 1.
I
Skip the
equals
while
to I
loop.
minus what we executed.
Line number 6 and 7, this lies in the while
Will be
loop.
skipped. Yes, and 8 will be.
And line number, now we have to execute line number 8.
Yes.
So key is equal to I plus 1. So what is the value of I? Value
1.
of I is
So it
1,
will be 2.
not 0.
Yes.
Value of I is 1. So this
Yes.
is your 1 value of I. Now we have to, put this 4 at the position of I plus 1.
2.
So at the position of I plus 1, so put this 4 at the I plus 1, that is at position 2. So this is 4, 2, 4, 5. Is it clear? 2, 4, 5. So this 2, 4, 5 is shorted. Any queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So third iteration. It is a popular question that it is given, the array is given, and you are asked to apply the insertion sort and find out the sequence after second iteration, after third iteration. Okay. This is a popular question in any competitive exam. Now your key value. So next J value is. So your next J value is. So your this one is already sorted sequence A1 through J minus 1. Your new J position is at this position. So you have to insert this AJ in the sorted sequence of A1 through J minus 1. So 245, this 245 is the already sorted sequence. Okay. Now you have to place this 6. You have to place this 6 in the sorted sequence. So here the key value, now your key value is, so J is equal to your 4. Now J is equal to 4, and your key value, what is the key value? Your key value is 6. Your key value is 6. So your key value is 6, and I is equal to J minus 1. So I is equal to J minus 1. So what is the I value? Your I value is this. This is your I value. So here I is equal to 3. J minus 1, 3. Now, while I is greater than 0, yes, 3 is greater than 0, and A of I. So what is A of I? A of I is, your A of I is 5. So A of I, that is 5, it is not greater than, it is not greater than your key value. So what is the new key value? Key value is your 6. So new key value is 6. So your 5 is not greater than 6. So 5 not greater than 6. So you have to close this loop. Okay. Now key is equal to A of I plus 1. Key is equal to A of I plus 1. So what is the position of key? Anyone please? What is the position of key?
A of 4 এই 6টা থেকে
A4.
যাবে।
So A of 6 is exchanged with itself. Okay. So now this is your sorted sequence. This is your sorted sequence. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sorted one. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. Next one. So increase the J value, and this is your new J value. Okay. So iteration number 4. This is your fourth iteration. So at fourth iteration, this is J is 5. J is 5. Now J is 5. So key is equal to A of J. So what is the value of key? Key is equal to 1. Key is 1. So your key is now 1. And initial value of I is J minus 1. So 4. Now, while I is greater than 0 and A of I is greater than key. So this is your I value. This is your I value. So a of I is greater than key. Is it true?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, 6 greater than 1.
6 greater than 1. 6 greater than 1. So 6 is greater than 1. Now we have to copy the ith value to ai plus 1th value. So 6, this will be your 6. So this will be your 6. Okay, copy the aith value. Copy the aith value at the ai plus 1th position. Okay, next decrement the I by 1. So your new I now at this position, at position 3. So next I value is at position 3. Okay, now here uh, I is greater than 0. Yes, 3 is greater than 0. And ai, what is the value of ai? Ai value is 5. Now ai value is 5. So 5, this is again greater than your key. So what is the key value? Key value is 1. Okay, again the key value is 1. So what should I do? Anyone please?
A of 3 তে 1 টা যাবে আর A of 4 এ 5 টা কপি হয়ে আসবে।
না, সেটা তো কখনোই নয়। Follow the rule. While your I is greater than 0 and ai is greater than key, so your new I value is 3. 3 is greater than 0 and a3 is the 5. So 5 is greater than key value is 1. So then copy the ith value at the I plus 1th position. So what is the ith value? 5 is the ith value. So copy this 5 at position I plus 1. So this will be 5. Okay, this will be 5. And then decrement I by 1 again. So your next, again you have to decrement the value of I. Any confusion? Please clarify.
No, sir.
Now your I value is, what is the I?
2.
Now your I value is 2. Now your I value is 2. And A of I, what is the A of I? Your A of I value is 4. So your A of I value is 4. 4 is again greater than your key value. 4 is again greater than your key value. So again you have to decrement the I by 1. So now your I value is, now your I value is 1. Okay, now what is the ith value? Ith value is 2. So again your 2 is greater than 1. Now again decrement the I value by 1. So new I value is 0. So new I value is 0. Okay, so your next I is now at this position. That is out of your range, array range. So now while your I is greater than 0, your value of I is now I is equal to 0. It is false. It is false. So your while loop, line number 5 to line number 7, these 3 lines will not be executed. Line number 8, according to line number 8, so your key is equal to ai plus 1. So your key is equal to ai plus 1. Okay, so ai plus 1. So at position I plus 1, so 0, plus 1 at position I plus 1 is equal to your key, that is 1. That is at position 1, that is at position 1 of the array, first position of the array, you have to place the key value. So place the key value. So this will be your 4, this will be 4, and this will be 2. Okay, so this will be 4 and this will be 2, and this is your first key value 1. So 1 2 4 5 6, up to this your array is sorted. Any confusion? Please
No, sir.
clarify.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now there will be last iteration. So this is the fifth iteration. According to fifth iteration, your this value is the 6 because it runs up to the last position. Okay, so your key value is a of j, so your a value is 3, key value is 3. Okay, and we know that I is equal to here, I is equal to your 5, here I is equal to 5. So 5 6 is greater than 3, 6 is greater than 3, while I is greater than 0 and a of I is greater than key. Yes, 6 is greater than, yes, your 6 is greater than my key 3. So we have to copy this 6 in the, so your new key value, so this your new key value is 3. So copy this 6, so copy this 6. Oh, sorry, this will be 6 and this will be 6, this is 6. Okay, now decrement the I by 1, so your new I value is 4, so your new I value is 4, and then again you have to check whether your 4 whether your AI, that is 5, here 5 is greater than your key value, 5 is greater than your key value. Okay, 5 is greater than your key value, 5 is greater than your key value. So enter inside the while loop. So I is copied in the I plus 1, so 5, so omit this one and put 5 here. Okay, and then decrement the I by 1, so decrement the I by 1, so I is equal to 3, so I is equal to now 3. So now I is equal to 3. So at position 3, the value is 4. A of I is 4. So 4 is greater than your key value 3. Okay. So again decrement the 4 is greater than 3. So first of all, copy this 4 at position A I plus 1. So this is your 4. Okay. And then decrement the I by 1. So your new I value is 2. So your new I value is 2. So now your I value is 2. So here 2 is not greater than, 2 is not greater than your key value. So stop. Okay. So stop, and key is equal to AI plus 1, line number 8, key. So what is your key? Key is 3. So insert this key at position I plus 1. So at position this. So delete this 4 and insert the 3. at the proper position. So this is the insertion sort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any confusion? This is the details execution of the insertion sort. Any queries? Please ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what is the complexity of your, what is the complexity? So this is the execution steps of the given array. Now running time. So running time is order of n square. Worst case and average case running time is order of n square, because the first line will run up to n times. Okay, and this is almost for single operation. For single operation, this is constant. Line number 2 for a single operation, key is equal to aj. So put the value in the variable key. So this will run, this particular second line will run, this is under the first for loop, first line. So this will run up to n minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total value of n is 6. Total array length, your array length is 6, and total number of key is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of key is 5. So it will run up to n minus 1. And if you use the formula, you can get the final, just 1 second, analysis part. This is the analysis part. So if you use the recurrence relation, then after solving this, you will get order of n square, n into n minus 1 by 2, that is order of n square. The complexity is order of n square, worst case and average case analysis. Okay.